bet y'all wondering, what's the picture of that houseboat? Did GJ Camping get a houseboat? Not exactly. Let me show y'all what we got going on, y'all. Y'all can see, this looks like a disaster. This actually was our houseboat that we had back before the cabin. And I'm trying to get everything out because I'm about to tear it down. Y'all can see the termites got up in here and just tore it up. That's kind of why we bought the cabin. But used to have an outboard motor on here, full bathroom. Over there, the steering helm used to be up there. That's where I used to drive this from. But reason I'm tearing it down, of course, obviously it's rotten. But under here is a big boat, a lot bigger than the boat me and Lil G been camping out of. So I'm gonna tear this down, and as y'all noticing, Lil G's growing. So we gonna be upgrading to a bigger boat. But to get to the boat, I got to get all this knocked down. As y'all can see, I had hatches to be able to get down in the boat. But anyways, that's what we're working on this old Saturday morning. So y'all have a good one, and I'll catch y'all later on. Good morning, everybody. Today we're going back work on the old houseboat, getting it tore down. I did a good bit yesterday. I didn't video any of what I did yesterday, but I'll bring y'all along today just to kind of see the progress we're making on getting to our boat so we can upgrade to a bigger boat. Y'all can see in the background, our old boat's just chilling now. So we ain't camping or fishing now. We got a little bit of work to do. So in between working and doing our videos, I had to take a break and get this job started so we can knock it out. But anyway, we're gonna take our old workhorse right here I built, which really been coming in handy. It's an old lawnmower. I put the back tires on the front, put four-wheeler tires on the back. We added a little rack, little pulley swap, does about 30 miles an hour. But I use it for all kind of things. So let's go take a ride to where the houseboat's at and get some more done on it so we can get to that bigger boat. Because Lil G's growth speed is not slowing down. So we definitely got to upgrade. So we'll catch y'all back on the job site. Alright folks, we made it out here where the houseboat parked. I'll give y'all a little look around, see what I got. Of course, got a big burn pile I had yesterday. And y'all can see it's flattened out. So this is what's left of the roof. That's what I've been working on, getting the roof part all tore down. Another pile of junk here. And y'all can see the boat sticking out. It's screaming, help me, get me out of here. But this is where we at. So I think what I'm gonna do this morning, I'm gonna start cutting this up in pieces, get the roof finished. Then I can start taking out all the other stuff. Let's see if I can bring y'all and show y'all just how bad this was. If I don't fall. But look, y'all can see it just crumbled to pieces. And all I did was wrap a rope around it, around the whole houseboat, and pull it down with my truck. And look, ain't no good lumber nowhere in here. Just all ate up. So that's what we got. So we'll go ahead and start getting this section here towed out. Slowly making our way towards our new boat. So let's get at it. Well, as y'all can see, I just pretty much pull a section out, cut it up, burn it as I go. That way I ain't stuck with a big old mess. Look like a tornado had came through. So this fire still had a good bit of coals from last night, so I guess we'll see if it's gonna catch. It did rain almost half the evening yesterday. But before I tore it down, I did manage to save the windows and got the cabinet fronts. As y'all can see, it's cypress. I saved one section. Who knows? I might use this in the new boat for a little cabinet. Just for a little piece of the old boat in the new one. So anyways, I'm gonna keep on pecking at this. And I'll bring y'all back after a while, see how far we got. Y'all can see that old lawnmower. It come in handy and it pull like an old mule. Well, that took care of the rest of the roof. I ain't gonna lie, that was quite fun pulling it with that old lawnmower. But anyway, that's the last little section of roof I got left. So y'all can see, just burning as I go. It won't be long, man. We'll be getting to our old boat. Making progress, making progress. It ain't that hot, but it is muggy. I'm sweating like a cow. So let's get back to it, man. Try to get to this boat. Well, I managed to salvage our navigation lights. I already tested the red one, it works. So let's see if the old green one's gonna work. Yep, there it is. So I'll probably use these navigation lights on the new boat. Ain't got a whole bunch I can salvage, but I'll salvage what I can for the new boat. Y'all can see that fire rolling, making good progress. So we'll bring y'all back after a while. All right, folks, took me a little lunch break, went cool down a minute, but after lunchtime now, as y'all can see, we got a good bit accomplished. We down to the floor in here, just got a few more studs and cut some wire so I can get everything apart, and hopefully by the end of the day all I have is the floor left. So I'm gonna keep pecking at it. We'll bring y'all back in a little bit once I get a little further. All right, folks, it's about 4 o'clock, so I'm about done for the day. Little G and Mama will be on their way home pretty soon. But anyways, y'all check it out. Got it pretty much all done. Start with the floor. Maybe about all tomorrow evening, we better get that boat out of there. So we'll catch y'all back in the morning. All right, good morning, folks. We back out here. Come and see how much we can get done today on the old boat project. And I got me a helper today. Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
So, little G, what you doing, man? You getting ready to get our fires cranked up?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, y'all can see I got help today, so I think we gonna get a good bit done. So we'll bring y'all back in a little bit. All right, my little G's over there feeding off fire for me. Right now, I'm pumping out the boat itself. Got one of them big old pumps, man. They suck that water out of there pretty fast. So let the boat pump out, start picking up all this trash and burn it up. A little update of what I'm on right now. Right now I'm pulling out the old laminate flooring. Y'all can see that. Got a good pile right there. We'll take a walk. Yeah, was a nice flooring. Pull all that out. Then we'll get to that old plywood, get that out, and we should start seeing that boat. Keep pecking at it. Alright, there she is. The boat's exposed. Let me show y'all how this is set up. Back here where I'm standing, it's got a 5-foot deck, flat deck, which is gonna be perfect for fishing and all. Y'all can see how much wider this boat is than our current one. Anyway, I'll bring y'all back when I get the rest of this stuff off, and y'all be able to check it out and see the foundation what we're working with. All right, everybody, a little update. I'm winded, man. I'm kind of winded. Got all that plywood up. I got the floor joist cut out. The boat's pretty much free. I just gotta go pull it out now. Go show y'all this and y'all can check it out. Got the little walkway coming, as y'all can see. I got the boat freed up. Y'all can see how stable this boat is too. Walking on the edge of it, it barely moves. So basically this thing from there to there is over 6 foot wide. And it does have a V bottom, so for rough water it'll have a good ride. Y'all can see the back deck. What I'm planning on doing is filling all this in and putting a gill bracket and have the motor further out there to give us a little more length. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna pull this boat out and let the cleanup begin. Y'all can see I got stuff everywhere. Alright, that's where I'm at the moment. Getting kind of hot. It'll take me a little water break and I'll get back at it, and I'll bring y'all back when I figure out how I'm gonna pull this out of there. Alright folks, the boat is free. I didn't video it, as y'all can tell. I took a spill. I went swimming. But anyways, y'all check it out. That's where the boat was. There she is, floating on her own. So, gonna take me a break. Then I'll be back and we're gonna clean her up. Start getting that trash out of her. Clean up this mess I got all over here. So that's where we at this point. So I'll catch y'all back after I go get some dry clothes on and regroup and see how I'm gonna do this next stage of this. I'll catch y'all in a little while. So G, what you think about the new boat?
Good.
You think it's got a lot more room?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Alright folks, I'll bring y'all right quick. Got most of the junk out. Just a little dirt left in there, a little mud, but I'll have to wait till I get it on the trailer to pressure wash it and get it real clean. Spray some Aluma Bright, get all the brown spots off of it, get it ready for paint. So I guess the next time y'all see it, it should be on the trailer. So let me swing y'all around and I'll go show y'all. Y'all can get an idea. But there she is, 22 foot from bow to the back deck, just under 8 foot wide at the top. So very stable, way better than what we're dealing with now. But anyways, I think I'm gonna cut this video here because the rest of it is just gonna be me picking up all this trash and burning. So I ain't gonna bore y'all with all that. So next time we should have it on the trailer, but I'm pretty sure we'll have a camping video up before then. Because what today is? Today's Wednesday. Friday they gave a lot of rain, but I think Saturday we're gonna take the other boat out, go spend us a night. So until next time, y'all take it easy out there. Peace. Oh yeah, G. Later.